In the same example, now we're trying to take the fourth root. So again, ladies and gentlemen, what you have to ask yourself, the fourth root says, what number multiplied by itself 4 times? So therefore, when I'm writing the prime factorization, I'm going to want to group the x's that are multiplied by themselves 4 times. Does that make sense? If this root was 8, how would I want to group them? In groups of 8. Okay, so whatever your index is, that's how many of them you want to group together, because you can take the cube root of, what I'm saying is, what you guys need to understand is, these, remember what we said, these are inverse operations, right? The fourth root says what number multiplied by itself 4 times. So what is being multiplied by itself 4 times in that as the radicand? X. So the fourth root of x times x times x times x is just x. Does that make sense? Yes? OK, but if I'm looking, so what you're doing is you're trying to find groups of 4, because remember, that represents x to the 4th power. And the root and the square, or the power, are going to be inverse operations. So the fourth thing, what I'm going to do is the easiest way to do it and the longest way. But I can just break this up into x times x times x. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So the thing here is like how many 4 groups can you do?
Exactly. So now I can say, well, I have one group of 4 here. I have another group of 4 here. And I have another group of 4 here. So now I don't have any extra x's. So I can take the fourth root of x times x times x times x is x. The fourth root of x times x times x times x is x. And the fourth root of x times x times x times x is x. And then you multiply all 3 of those, and you get x cubed.
Question.
Yes?
So say it was